Hey guys, tonight we're going to be using our mutton, our ground mutton, and we're going to make meatloaf. I'm going to be making it gluten-free and using mostly things from Deep South, of course. I wanted to show you a few of the ingredients. We have the ground mutton, we have the onions and the pimento peppers, we have some garlic, we have some of our frozen eggs, we have some almond flour, and we have salt and pepper. We're going to be turning this into a mutton meatloaf. And I want to show you the apron I have on. It is from Grandma Rose. Her website is absolutewonder.com. She's going to be at the gathering on March 11th here at Wiggins, Mississippi at the Stone County Fairgrounds. And she's going to be bringing some of her aprons. And we're going to give away one or two of them. So let me show you Grandma Rose's Absolute Wonder apron. Okay guys, you can see this side is polka dotted. This side, chickens. At the bottom, there is this little thing here with a string. You pull the string all the way up, and then you take this, and it's got this little thing you mash like on a coat, and you pull it all the way down, and you make a cute little pocket. And it doesn't come loose because this holds. And you have a gathering apron. And you can put your eggs or veggies or whatever you want in there. And when you're through and you bring them inside, again, you mash this little button, pull it all the way out, straighten it all back out, and you have your apron once again. It's absolutewonder.com. Right now we have our peppers and onions in my bowl. I'm adding half a pound of mutton, and this is ground mutton that we had. I'm going to wash my hands after dealing with it. We're going to be adding garlic. We're going to add about maybe 3/4 of a cup of almond flour. And that is replacing our crackers or breadcrumbs. We're going to be adding an egg, and this is more than one egg, so I'm just going to have to guess at an egg here. We're adding a little bit of salt. And a little pepper. And this is our tomato sauce that we put up this year. And look at that. That's some awesome tomato sauce. I'm going to add about half of this to it and mix. We're going to be putting it in my cast iron bread pan, and I've got the bread pan lined with tin foil. Going in the oven, we're going to put a little bit of our tomato sauce across the top and cook it for about an hour. So that's what our meatloaf's looking like. It's going into the oven. Here we have my plate with the mutton meatloaf, field peas, okra, and sweet potato. And we have Danny's plate with the sweet potato and the Cherokee tan pumpkin. The meatloaf was awesome. Forgot to video us taste testing, but mutton meatloaf, that's what's for supper.